Hello guys, how's it going? So in the last video we basically installed Ubuntu on our VirtualBox. So in this video the first thing we need to do is basically get Git installed on our Ubuntu, because our Ubuntu is actually new. There is no Git installed already, so we need to install Git. So let's say sudo apt-get update. I hope you can see. So you enter your password. So the first thing is we install git sudo apt-get install git, and yes. So I guess that is the command. Okay. Enter sudo apt-get install git. So getting this error, could not get lock, resource temporarily unavailable, unable to acquire the dpkg frontend lock. Okay, then we should do key all apt get. Okay, should do key all apt get no process found. Okay. Sudo key all apt-get. So I'm getting this error. So I need to remove the lock, I guess. So I just need to paste this. So basically removing the lock and the lock archive, and this last one as well, the lock package, dp package. So if I press enter, guys, this is what I'm getting from here. If I press enter and sudo dp package configure, this is first time I'm getting this error. Configure a, then sudo apt-updates. Updates. Okay, and then sudo apt-get install git y. Okay, so this is now installing the Git for me. Let me better explain it. So I was having issue when I tried to install Git initially. It's first time I'm facing this particular issue. So the issue was when I tried to install Git, right, could not get lock. I get the dpkg lock is basically in this directory, and it's saying the resource is temporarily unavailable and it's unable to acquire the dp package. So when I looked into Stack Exchange solution, it was suggested that I should basically kill all the apt-get, but that wasn't working, so I had to remove the lock library. This basically remove this lock folder, remove this the log folder which is in this directory, and also every log maybe log file inside the dp package. Then after that, I run a configuration, then sudo apt update, which get the dpkg updated. Then the sudo apt install git command is now working fine. So if you come across the same issue, you can do the same thing.